In this video, I'm going to walk you through ViralVue. I'll explain what ViralVue is, what you can do with it, and give you a full overview of the dashboard so you know what to expect before using it seriously. ViralVue is a tool made for Amazon influencers and creators who want to find products, track performance, and manage brand deals all in one place. It's especially useful if you're creating product videos for Amazon or TikTok and want better data instead of just guessing what might work. So first, go to the ViralVue website. Once you're there, click on Sign Up for Free in the corner. This lets you create an account without paying anything up front. After you tap that, you'll need to enter your email, your full name, your phone number, and your password. When you're creating your password, make sure it follows the requirements shown on the screen. This is just to keep your account secure. Once you confirm your password, you can move on to the next step. Next, ViralVue will send a 6-digit verification code to your email. Open your email, copy the code, and enter it here. Once the code is verified, your account will be created and you'll be logged in. Now that you've created your account, this is the first page you'll see. We're inside the account details section. This is where you need to enter your Amazon storefront URL. This is important because ViralVue connects your data to your Amazon influencer account. At the bottom of this page, you'll also see the option to link your influencer account. Right now, it shows that it's not linked yet. Once you have at least one video and meet the requirements, you can link your influencer account from here. Next, let's move to the Security tab. This is where you can change your password. You just enter your current password, your new password, and then confirm it. You'll see the password requirements at the bottom, and once everything looks good, you just save the changes. After that is the billing section. This shows your current plan and pricing details. Right now, the plan is set to 0, which is the free tier. This free plan is for Amazon influencers who are not yet approved for on-site commissions. You can still explore the dashboard, but some tools will require a paid plan to fully use. And quick note before we move on, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the video description. This will help us make more videos like this, and that link also includes a 10% discount code you can use if you decide to subscribe. It's totally optional, but I just wanted to mention it here. Now, let's continue with the rest of the dashboard. Now let's look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sun icon. If you tap this, it turns on night mode. Tap it again, and it switches back to light mode. Next to that is the question mark icon, which opens the support center. This is where you can contact ViralVue support if you have questions. Then there's the extension icon, which takes you to the Chrome Web Store page so you can download the ViralVue browser extension. Now, let's move to the left side of the dashboard and walk through each tab so you understand what everything does. First is ViralVue. This tool is used to connect and manage links. When you tap on it, you'll see the option to authorize ViralVue. When you click the Authorize button, you're allowing ViralVue to connect and manage URL-related content on your behalf. This helps with tracking and managing links more efficiently, especially when sharing products across platforms. Now let's go back and move on to ASIN Finder. When you open this, you'll see a video titled Features Showcase. This video explains how the tool works. Since this feature requires an active subscription, I can't show you the step-by-step process, but I'll explain what it does. ASIN Finder helps creators find Amazon products using their ASINs. It's designed to help you identify products that are already performing well, so you can decide which ones are worth creating content for. Next is Product Finder. When you open this tab, you'll also notice there's a video available. One thing you'll see throughout ViralVue is that most tools include a built-in video guide so you can understand how they work. Product Finder is used to discover products that have the potential to perform well on Amazon and social platforms. It helps creators research products instead of randomly choosing items to promote. This is useful if you want to focus on products with better chances of getting views and commissions. Now let's move to the My Amazon section. The first tab here is Media Kit. This is where your creator profile and stats are organized in a presentable way. Media kits are usually used when working with brands, So this helps you show your performance and credibility as a creator. Next is profits. This section focuses on tracking earnings and performance. It gives you a clearer picture of how your content is doing over time instead of manually checking everything on Amazon. After that is brand deals. This is where you can manage brand collaborations. It helps keep everything organized when working with brands, especially if you're handling multiple deals. Next is videos. This section is where your video content is managed and tracked. It helps you see how your videos are performing inside the platform. Then we have products. This is where product-related data is organized. It helps you keep track of items you're working with or monitoring. Next is orders. This section focuses on order-related information, giving you insight into performance connected to purchases. Now let's move to the TikTok beta section. Here, you'll see a product finder again, but this time it's specific to TikTok beta. The purpose is similar to the earlier product finder, but it's focused on TikTok-related data and trends. Below that is My TikTok Beta. Inside this section, there are 3 tabs. First is Ad Codes. This is where ad-related codes are managed for tracking and campaigns. Next is Product Tracking, which helps monitor how specific products perform over time. Then there's AMZ Orders, which connects Amazon order data with TikTok-related tracking. Finally, let's talk about pricing. ViralVue has 3 plans. The free plan costs $0 per month and is meant for creators who are not yet approved for on-site or affiliate commissions. The starter plan is $33 per month and is designed for new creators who want to kickstart their growth with more tools. The professional plan is $66 per month and is built for creators who want to save time, scale their commissions, and access advanced features. And that's the full walkthrough of ViralVue. This tool is designed to help creators understand products, track performance, and manage their workflow in one place. Even if you're starting on the free plan, it's a good way to explore how everything works before deciding to upgrade. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you understand ViralVue better. If you found this useful, feel free to stick around for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.